If you have ever wondered how to calculate the measurements for a 6-piece skirt, I'm going to show you a simple way to do it. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the calculations step by step so you can understand exactly how to determine the width of each panel using your own measurements. Let's get started.
Welcome to Learn to Sew Academy channel. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.
A 6-piece skirt is a skirt that we cut into 6 pieces and we join them together to form a whole skirt. If you look at this rough diagram that I have here, you'll see that we have the front part of the skirt cut into 3, 1, 2, 3. The back will also be exactly the same thing, also cut into 3. These together make a 6-piece skirt. If we were going to have a zipper at the back of our skirt, then we'll have to cut the center panel at the back into 2. So we can have our zip allowance and add our zip at the center. But in this tutorial, we're going to be doing a skirt with an elastic waistband. So we're going to make an elastic waistband for this 6-piece skirt sample we're going to be working on. And we'll be using a waist of 42, hip of 53, and a skirt length of 41. Now, we are going to divide both of our waist and our hip by 12. Why are we dividing by 12? This is because when we measured our waist, we took a circumference. We went around the waist to get the waist measurement. And then the hip, we went round to get the hip measurement. Now, when we start to cut, we're going to be cutting piece by piece. You're going to cut each piece of the 6 pieces. Depending on your level of expertise, you can cut all 3 pieces together. But in this tutorial, I'm attempting to make it as simple and straightforward as possible. So I'm going to use the method that I found to be like the easiest for people that have never done this before to follow. So I'm going to be cutting the pieces individually so you can see, and follow and reason out why we're doing what we do. So in this case now, let's take the center, for example. When we start to cut this, we're going to fold our fabric into 2. Now, because we're folding our fabric into 2, and we know that we're doing a 6-piece, for that circumference of waist and hip that we took, that is why we're doing 6 times 2. So that gave us 12. Again, we're doing 6 times 2 because we're doing 6 pieces, and then we are folding each piece into 2 when we cut. So to measure what measurements will be, that's why we're going to be using 6 times 2. And for the waist, we arrived at 3.5. For the hip, we arrived at 4.42. Now, when we join, we need seam allowances because we're going to be joining this side of the center piece, for example, to this side of our side piece. And then we're going to be joining this other side of the center piece to this other side piece. So we need half an inch allowance. And when we fold, we just need to measure that half an inch, because when we fold and cut, we're going to automatically have half an inch on both sides. So that is where the 0.5 comes in. So our total for the waist will be 4. Our total for our hip will be 4.92, which we are approximating to 5 inches, just to make it easy for you to find it on the tape measure. So this is the basic and simplest way to calculate your measurements for your 6-piece skirt. So I encourage you to use these calculations for your own measurements. And to take you further, there is a link in the description that shows you the full video of how to cut this 6-piece skirt. You'll also find a link to our online academy where you can learn how to make different kinds of 6-piece skirt as well as 6-piece dress. See you in the next video and keep sewing. The more you do it, the better you get at it. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share our videos.